Okay, everyone, these are my two contestants. Let's spin the wheel. So we get vinegar as fucking vinegar. Looks like we got food today. Now answer the Sigma-looking question. What the freak? How'd you get that correctly? Let's see how you will solve this one, you mother... Oh my god, bro. Stop dancing like that. Stop dancing like that. Stop dancing like that. You're a huge goon.